국내 최초로 공개되는 CBS 간판자 NCIS 하와이는 오직 U+에서만 만나보실 수 있습니다. 아이들의 축구 경기가 이어지던 운동장. 그런데 대뜸 나타난 NCIS의 경기가 중단되고 방금까지 선수들을 감독하던 테넌트가 익숙하게 헬기에 올라타는데요. 사실 그녀는 두 아이의 엄마이자 NCIS 특수요원 책임자입니다.
Jane Tennant, Special Agent in Charge, NCIS Hawaii.
I'm Captain Joseph Milley. Protocol for investigating an accident involving a Navy pilot.
몇 시간 전 하와이 해변. 전투기 한 대가 충돌에 폭파됩니다. 테넌트는 이 사건이 사고가 아니라 범죄일 수 있다 말하죠.
Look, you can't be so sure this was an accident because your pilot, Lieutenant Commander Walters, reached out to my office 12 hours ago. Till I do, this is a crime scene.
그렇게 사건 조사를 위해 팀원들이 모이고
I'm gonna need the rundown on our dead pilot, Lieutenant Commander Walters.
Is there anything left to autopsy?
Experimental F-35C had an emergency fail-safe.
4-H weekend?
No, cleaning campsites at Bellows Field.
All right, guys, what else do we know?
어젯밤 받은 소령의 전화부터 차근차근 떠올려 봅니다.
He called last night, told the switchboard he had something to report. Did he say what?
No.
Something personal?
And the crash could be completely unrelated.
이어 증거를 찾기 위해 각자 흩어지고
So, Lucy, I need you to go to AFMES to get the autopsy results. Jesse, I need you to
Hook up with Ernie, dive into Commander Walters' private life.
먼저 사망한 소령의 사생활을 알아보는데요.
Graduated U.S. Naval Academy with distinction, multiple combat tours.
I'm looking for more color.
Don't sweat it. I'll just piggyback on his social media.
그 사이 루시는 부검 결과서를 요청하는데
You're gonna need Commander Walters' preliminary results ASAP.
Almost done.
Gonna have to wait.
What's DIA doing here?
What are you doing here is a more pertinent question.
그녀의 코앞에서 낼름 가로채가는 정보국 장교.
And yet pack fleet us, so you will get the report when I clear it. Thank you.
하지만 여기서 포기할 수는 없죠.
You're right.
I know.
I shouldn't be so pushy.
It's not a good look.
And I should respect the hierarchy.
You still can't see it.
루시가 몰래 보고서를 읽는 한편 한창 조사 중인 소령의 집.
Don't see a lot of uniforms in places like these. Anything suggest you had like a drug problem?
카이가 유독 한 서핑 가게의 이름을 오래 바라보는데요. 잠시 후 루시가 부검 결과를 보고하는데
Walters had a massive amount of dextroamphetamine in his system.
그가 고의로 약물을 먹었는지는 아직 알 수 없는 상황.
So we're looking at an overdose, intentional or otherwise.
All we found at his place was a bunch of supplements.
그때 SNS를 통해 소령이 만났다던 여자를 찾아내고
Walters sent a photo to his sister who tagged it for the rest of the family to see. I tracked the plates on the SUV in that photo.
이후 추적기에 찍힌 위치로 곧장 찾아가는데요.
You really think Noelani managed to get her SUV down this way?
I know she did.
그런데
And her.
차와 함께 버려져 있는 사진 속의 여자.
The car was in neutral. She just laid out across the driver's seat. Doesn't look like an accident.
Keep working the scene. Accident seems increasingly unlikely.
사건은 더욱 심각해졌지만 대령은 어딘가 언짢아 보이는데요.
There is no case. My people reviewed the mission computer.
Commander Walters had dextroamphetamine in his system. And there are extenuating circumstances.
심지어 그는 테런트와 팀원에 대한 막말까지 하죠.
Stubborn and incapable of staying in line. Look, people are paying attention to this all the way up the chain. One wrong move won't be just you and me taking the fall.
It'll be your team too.
그러나 수사를 그만둘 수는 없는 노릇.
We've expedited the DNA analysis.
Nothing in Walters' report points to him being violent. I don't think he killed her.
회의를 이어가던 그때
I need a word.
Look,
Not with you. Her.
몰래 보고서를 읽은 일에 화가 난 장교가 찾아왔습니다.
You couldn't have done if she hadn't stolen it.
She just saw a few key phrases on a report that you're now delivering to me. No harm, no foul.
And pissing off future admirals will not help my career.
Can I see the report, please?
간신히 받아낸 서류엔 각성제가 검출된 곳이 보충제라 적혀 있었고
The lab analyzed the supplements from Commander Walters' apartment.
Found high levels of dextroamphetamine.
They were spiked.
얼마 후 테넌트는 충격적인 사실을 듣게 되는데
Jesse and Lucy found Noelani's phone at the crime scene. Most of her friends on social media are bots. Most of her pictures are photoshopped.
사망한 여자의 정보가 전부 가짜였다는 것.
Anything actually real about her?
Well, she really worked as a cocktail waitress.
그날 밤 그녀가 일했다던 술집을 찾아가 보지만
I'm looking for information on Noelani Ilihau.
you're just doing your job. I get it. But this is the Pauhana crowd. Can't do that with cops around.
대충 대꾸하며 테넌트를 내쫓습니다.
Another day then.
한편 소령의 집에서 본 서핑 가게를 찾아낸 카이.
Hey, Hina, I think you Missed a few spots there, yeah?
사실 그는 이곳과 꽤 연이 깊었는데요.
Look, I know it's been a while, but
Welcome home, bruh.
오래전 도망치듯 떠났던 그의 고향이었죠.
where's the aloha?
I gotta hear from your pops that you're back.
I've been busy.
So why you come now?
Honestly, work.
친구의 어이없다는 반응에도 그는 수사를 이어가는데
Maybe you know her. Name's Noelani.
This is Alana.
다행히 여자에 대해 알고 있었고
Taught the Wahine tourists how to drop in on the 2-footers. Until someone offered her a new job a while back.
What kind of job?
Sort of like a hostess.
그녀에게 일자리를 제안한 사람이 있다는 것까지 듣게 되죠.
Who made the offer?
I don't know. Never saw him. Had a funny kind of nickname. Big Luna.
여자의 진짜 이름으로 조사를 다시 해보는데
Don Sloan. Dated our girl a few months last year. She disappeared. He filed a missing persons report.
뜻밖의 인물이 튀어나옵니다.
He's a DoD engineer.
And works top secret aircraft.
그러자 딱딱 맞춰지는 퍼즐들.
So at best, we're dealing with a con woman. At worst,
Spy.
made sure that she couldn't be tied back to them, and they made sure Walter stayed quiet too.
바로 위치를 추적하는데 NCIS 외에 누군가 그를 쫓고 있습니다.
Also got an anonymous IP logged into his account. We're not the only ones tracking him.
잠시 후 다행히 또 다른 사상자가 나오기 직전 그를 구해냈고 그와 같은 정보를 알만한 사람들을 추려내는데요.
These are our most likely targets, all DoD contractors and employees.
그중 자동 조종 전투기의 정보를 가진 한 남자.
We need to find someone with access to the same self-flying capabilities as Commander Walters.
Charles Randolph, chief designer of the automated flying system. And according to an email he sent from his work computer, her name is Sally, cocktail waitress.
분명 스파이들은 그를 타겟으로 잡았을 것입니다.
They're going after him too.
They didn't get what they wanted from Walters, so they need this piece or the rest of it's useless.
그렇게 잠복이 시작되고
According to his cell phone, Randolph
arrived at the ale house 15 minutes ago.
New guy, you get in any trouble, just say I'm new to the island, we'll come.
카이는 곧 수상한 사람을 발견하는데요.
Any action in there, Kai?
Bartender serving Randolph off the menu though. Dude at the bar hasn't touched his drink.
그가 바로 여자에게 일자리를 제안했던 빅 루나.
Signed affidavit. He's
Big Luna.
타겟이 자리에서 일어나자 그도 따라 나서는데
Randolph's been played being taken out back.
뒤를 쫓아온 카이에 칼을 뽑아드는 남자.
Where you going, huh?
Let's just where's the bathroom in here? Yeah, I'm new to the island.
Jesse, Lucy, you take the front, I got the back.
신호를 받은 요원들이 뛰어오는 사이 카이가 애를 써보지만
Randolph's upstairs.
이미 도망쳐버린
NCIS! Stop!
카이와 테넌트가 급히 쫓아가고
Ernie, you got eyes on his vehicle?
Yeah, heading leeward at the fork.
How far behind are we?
Let's just say go faster.
2층을 침입한 요원들은 타겟과 여자를 검거합니다.
Hey, please just keep your hands so I can see it.
Hey, got her!
한편 한참을 도망치던 남자가 멈춰선 곳.
All right, daytime surveillance shows a structure 100 feet from the coast.
Not so hard.
그는 은신처에다 빼돌린 정보를 없애려 하는데
NCIS! Here!
들이닥친 NCIS에 다시 시작된 추격전. 막다른 곳에 다다르자 남자는 항복 대신 절벽을 뛰어내리는데요.
Put your hands up and walk slowly towards me.
Hey! Hey, don't!
그때 망설임 없이 테넌트가 뛰어들자 카이까지 바다에 뛰어들고 겨우 빠져나온 이들의 육탄전이 벌어집니다. 하지만 남자의 손에 총이 들어가고 그가 총을 쏘려던 순간 카이의 기지로 목숨을 건졌습니다.
Never take it back on the ocean.
Coasties aren't lying.
그렇게 증거물들을 모아 사건을 추리해보는데
Did find this dextroamphetamine, colored to look like our pilot's vitamin supplements.
Big Luna must have snuck it into our pilot's house to dose it.
이젠 그들의 진짜 배우를 알아내야 할 차례.
Bartender Myra claims to be a victim, but she served spiked drinks, led Randolph up into the room.
피해자인 척 굴었지만 이 모든 사건을 관통하는 인물인 바텐더.
The bar you work for is owned by a company called the Oahe Group, Hawaiian LLC. Financed by a holding company based in Beijing.
그녀의 뒤에 있는 건 사람이 아닌 국가, 중국이었습니다.
For the Chinese Ministry of State Security. Our theory is you were born in Honolulu, but trained by MSS. I think really hard about what to say next because my friend here hates spies.
Let's talk about experimental jets.
얼마 후 소령의 추모식에 참석한 테넌트.
Something you need, Special Agent?
Wouldn't have been able to stop it without him. Wanted to pay my respects.
깐깐한 대령도 어색하게 남아 그녀에게 사과를 전합니다.
He did good work. Stopped the bad guys, protected national security, and the honor of our pilot.
Is this you apologizing?
Yes.
Apology accepted.
하마터면 국가적 재난이 벌어질 사건을 막아낸 NCIS. 그리고 얼마 뒤 평소와 같이 도로를 달리던 장갑 트럭.
How many routes you run, Melissa?
About 30 or so, I guess.
2,600 and counting.
그런데 그때 갑작스레 폭탄이 터지고 서둘러 구조 신호를 보내지만 이미 대기 중이던 적들. 그들은 망설임이 없었습니다. 이번 사건은 트럭에 실린 50만 달러를 노린 것인데요.
Armored truck heist on the North Shore this morning. One of our warships recovered $500,000 from an unflagged vessel.
상부에서는 이 일에 군이 관련되어 있다고 의심하죠.
Whoever did this used enough explosives to roll an armored truck 30 yards.
You think it's a military nexus?
We hope not.
그렇게 시작된 NCIS의 수사.
According to the FBI, the truck was en route to Pearl.
No sign of explosives in here. How'd they get in?
Second guard opened it.
Yeah, where's the second guard?
At HPD. Lucy's talking to him.
범죄는 얼핏 완벽하게까지 보였는데요.
I mean, these guys were good. In and out, no muss, no fuss.
그래서 더욱 한 명을 살려둔 점이 이상했죠.
And leave guard number 2 alive.
그리고 한참 전 꺼져 있던 트럭의 보안 장치.
You say you call for Mayday.
I did call Mayday.
The thing is, Melissa, dispatch didn't receive any calls. The truck's whole security system was offline.
범인들은 증거 하나 남겨두지 않았는데요.
This is a precision crew. In and out in 90 seconds. Not one scrap of usable evidence was left behind. Every move was planned.
이 범상치 않은 스케일로 내부 조력자가 있다는 걸 알게 되고.
But importing that much explosives is almost impossible. They must have some help on the island.
거기에 누군가 보안 장치에 손을 댔다는 증거까지 나오게 되죠.
And the security system?
Cradled in an equally impenetrable steel casing.
Then what would have caused it?
Because right before the system went down, the truck made an unscheduled stop.
There's your local. Inside man.
Or woman.
당연하게도 의심은 살아남은 요원 멜리사에게 향하는데요.
Then help me understand why your truck's GPS was...
Carl had to relieve himself. It was like 30 seconds.
It was 2 minutes.
He did it from time to time. Bad prostate, Carl said. It's not a big deal.
Kind of a big deal this time, Melissa.
Carl was murdered.
Unscheduled stop, security system shut off. You want to believe you're not responsible.
But I'm responsible.
What?
둘의 추궁에 조금씩 그녀의 입이 열리던 그때
Heist crew just pulled off another job.
또 다른 폭탄이 터졌습니다.
Target was Payday Plus near Village Park.
Let me guess, 90 seconds flat.
Looks like the same team pulling off an equally coordinated heist.
폭탄은 멜리사가 조사받은 시간에 설치됐고 그건 다른 용의자가 있을 수 있다는 얘기.
Melissa's been in custody since the first robbery, but she may have details on other suspects. Headed to K-Bay. You up for a ride? Time to talk to Boom Boom.
Fire in the hole!
그들이 사용한 폭탄은 어마무시한 위력을 보이는데
Fire in the hole!
Our suspects used TNT and lots of it.
TNT를 얻을 경로는 단 하나.
So how do our guys get theirs?
Well, based on chemical analysis at the blast site, you got yourself some original Formula World War II era TNT.
Where would our suspects get their hands on World War II materials?
I look at Kahuala Bay.
그러나 위치를 알더라도 아무나 접근할 수 없는 건 내한가지였죠.
You can't just roll out there and grab this stuff. It's temperamental as hell. Whoever got it knew what they were doing.
같은 시각 트럭 안전장치에 손을 댄 진범이 밝혀지는데
Got a call from the medical examiner. Our dead guard had traces of TNT on his hands and clothes.
그건 바로 현장에서 사망한 요원 칼.
Financially probably means that Carl is our inside man.
멜리사를 일부러 살려도 그녀를 의심하도록 만든 것이었죠.
Heist crew wants us to suspect her.
Yeah, and if she's innocent, she could still help us fill in the blanks with
이후
Carl.
섬에서 폭탄을 가져온 방식을 추측해 보는데
Oahu, so our crew would need a boat, a pilot knows the area.
Not to mention experience in handling volatile explosives.
10일 전 4시간 동안 섬에 머물렀던 배 한 척.
Captured 10 days ago by NOAA. Approached the island and stayed about 4 hours before leaving.
Looks like a fishing boat.
Is there enough to identify it?
조사 결과 그 배는 다름 아닌 현지 어부의 것이었습니다.
We ID'd the boat. It's a type mostly used for multi-day fishing
So
charter.
you're thinking some local fishermen got caught up with our heist crew?
잠시 후 강도단에게 배를 빌려준 사람을 찾아 나서고
Next case we work should be going after these charter owners for their prices, man. Criminal.
폭파된 식당의 CCTV 속 뽑아놓은 명단의 선장을 발견하게 됩니다.
Wait, looks familiar?
Lester Allen, charterboat captain.
곧장 그를 찾아간 두 요원.
There he is.
Hey, Lester Allen, NCIS, can we have a word?
도망치는 그를 쫓으려던 그때 눈앞에서 터져버린 폭탄. 그건 계획적으로 설치된 것이었는데요.
So can we assume it wasn't a coincidence that Lester exploded while trying to evade capture?
Found remnants of a pressure plate detonation device.
그중 사용된 압력판을 통해 독특한 점을 알게 됩니다.
Jesse haven't seen craftsmanship like this pressure plate since Iraq. British SAS written all over it.
그리고 추가된 주요 증거품.
Took her to the field where Carl relieved himself.
멜리사를 통해 찾아낸 칼의 핸드폰이었습니다.
Showed me where. Found this buried in a ravine.
거기에 범인들이 군 훈련을 받았다는 걸 토대로 국외 사건까지 넓혀보는데요.
Hey, everything's pointing towards military training with these guys. I expanded the search internationally. In each of these cases, they made off with $5 million plus in cash or easy to monetize assets.
그렇게 추려진 용의자.
Interpol managed to ID one suspect from the Antwerp job.
He's got all the skills. Where is this guy?
Off the grid after Antwerp.
What about the rest of his team?
숨어버린 그 대신 부대원을 찾고 다음 사건을 대비하기로 하는데
All right, we'll see if any of these guys had trouble adjusting to civilian life.
얼마 후 용의자 선상에 오른 부대원 한 명.
Lieutenant Henri Martin, former French commando, served with Stratford, had a hard time re-entering civilian life in and out of jail. He just arrived in Oahu.
칼의 핸드폰을 통해 위치까지 추적하는데요.
Chinatown. Carl's burner phone only had a couple calls in the last few days.
그러자 다음 타겟까지 단번에 추려지고
Honolulu Nationals in Chinatown. This week, topping $7 million.
곧이어 재빨리 출동한 현장.
Yeah, well, we need you to track these guys in real time.
그들 앞에 수상한 사람이 나타나는데
Guy in the coat.
조용히 쫓다 그를 체포하려던 순간
This is a robbery! Everybody stay where you are!
그가 폭탄을 몸에 휘감은 채 모두를 위협합니다.
Lady, on the ground. Down.
Facial recognition just in case.
검사가 이뤄지는 동안 테넌트가 나서 시간을 끄는데요.
Okay, we're federal agents, not bank employees. I can take this bag to the manager.
검사 결과 그는 강도단이 아닌 일회성 공범.
His name is Hugh Lowry. He's in the federal database. Private contractor explosives disposal has a lien on his house.
그리고 이 은행 또한 강도단의 표적이 아니었죠.
There's nothing else you can do except get Lucy and find the heist team.
그들이 훔치려는 진짜 목표.
What I need is the real target.
그건 바로 목걸이였습니다.
Tears of the sea.
Tears of the what?
Black pearl necklace handed down through generations of Hawaiian. This is a surprise, Jesse. It's being moved from the Bishop Museum today.
그 시각 테넌트는 남자를 안심시키며 천천히 다가가는데요.
I don't want you to die. Let us help.
혹시 장치가 돼 있을지 모를 폭탄.
I gotta get out of this thing. I don't want to.
No. That vest, like Lester Allen's boat. Any false moving.
Boom boom on the phone.
확실하게 해체하기 위해 본부에 조언을 구하기로 하죠.
We need some images to send back to HQ. Get a quick consult. X-rays, actually.
It looks like the bomb is designed to go off as soon as he removes it.
곧 결심한 듯 해체를 시작하려는데 눈에 띄게 불안해하는 남자.
Look at me. Look at me. Okay.
테넌트가 그에게 계속 말을 걸어 주의를 끕니다.
I'm still with you, okay? You're doing great.
하지만 한눈에 봐도 폭탄 내부는 복잡하게 얽혀 있었고
Okay, boom boom. You seeing what I'm seeing?
Yeah. Unbelievable.
그 시각 밖에선 범인들의 진짜 목표인 바다의 눈물을 추적 중인데요.
See, left the Bishop Museum while we were at the bank. 5 out from their route. We tried contacting the security team, but no luck.
그러나 한 발 먼저 경호 차량을 습격한 강도단. 언제 터질지 모르는 폭탄과 이미 빼앗겨버린 목걸이. 과연 NCIS 팀은 폭탄을 무사히 제거하고 강도단을 검거할 수 있을까요? NCIS는 2003년 첫 방영 이후 시즌을 거듭하며 지금까지도 많은 사랑을 받은 작품인데요. 이번에 제작된 NCIS 하와이는 세 번째 스피노프 시리즈로 하와이라는 색다른 배경뿐 아니라 개성 넘치는 인물들의 캐릭터 특성까지 돋보였습니다. 특수요원들의 치밀한 수사와 반전을 거듭하는 범인, 그리고 기발한 범죄 수법들은 지루할 틈 없는 연출 방식이 더해져 끝까지 흥미를 놓지 않고 다음 화를 기대하게 만드는데요. 증거들이 모여 퍼즐처럼 사건을 완성시키면 절로 희열이 느껴질 정도입니다. 한때 과학수사 신드롬을 일으켰던 레전드 드라마인 만큼 걸리는 것 없이 딱 떨어지는 수사 과정은 복잡하지 않게 설명되어 범죄 수사물에 관심이 없으셨던 분들까지 재미있게 보실 수 있을 것 같습니다. 먼저 공개된 미국에서의 반응이 벌써부터 뜨거운 가운데 국내에선 U+에서만 최초 단독 공개된다고 하니 놓치지 말고 관람하시길 바랍니다. U+TV 혹은 U+ 모바일 TV 애플리케이션을 이용하시면 NCIS 시리즈의 신작을 지금 바로 시청하실 수 있는데요. 특히 LG U+ 이용 고객이시라면 무료로도 만나보실 수 있고 타 통신사를 이용 중이셔도 월 정액만 가입하시면 마찬가지로 재밌게 관람하실 수 있습니다. NCIS뿐만 아니라 FBI의 두 번째 스피노프 FBI 인터내셔널도 돌아오는데요. 국내에서는 오직 U+에서만 볼 수 있습니다. 차주 후속 영상은 FBI 소개로 돌아오겠습니다. 그럼 여기까지 NCIS 하와이 소개해드리면서 저는 이만 물러가겠습니다. 지금까지 드림텔러였습니다.